Inheritance can be categorized in 5 types: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. What is single inheritance? Single inheritance means when only one base class is involved. We have a derived class from single base class. So from single base class, this is called single inheritance. Then we have multi-level inheritance. See, these are multi-level. Level 1, this is base, this is derived. Now for this become base and this become derived. Eventually the content of this base and this derived one will come here, but this is of different levels. Here we call it as a multi-level inheritance. Multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance means here more than one base class are involved. Means a class is derived from more than one base class. This is multiple inheritance. Then we have hierarchical inheritance. We have one base class and this base class is used or being employed for this derived one and this derived one. So what we find here is we have derived 1 and derived 2 from a single base class. Then hybrid inheritance. We have seen about the multiple, hierarchical and multi-level. If you combine these, any of these or all of these, then this becomes hybrid inheritance. So you have multi-level inheritance along with this derived 1, derived 2, that is the hierarchical or multiple inheritance.